Hey YouTube, ColtsFan8793 here. I had a mail day, but didn't upload right away, so sorry. The packages are already opened and everything. But here's my mail day from two tubers to YouTube. First tuber was Nemesis. I'll put his link in the description box. Here it is, a nice 4-color jumbo patch of Torrey Smith numbered out of 25. I'm starting the PC of him, guys. Let me know if you have any. And the next card I got from eBay, nice Steve Smith auto. I got this for it. Really good steal. Numbered at 25. Super nice card. Next is from number 1 Redskins fan. Thanks for the trade, bro. Nice Torrey Smith auto out of Legends out of 99. Then I also got this in the trade. 11 out of 25. Torrey Smith prime rookie. Then he also threw in this extra nice Torrey Smith prime rookies. And the last one from eBay is a pretty nice pickup. I got it for another good deal. Nice Breeze auto out of 50, if you can see that. So yeah, it's a really nice card. Alright guys, so that's my mail day. If you have any Torrey Smith, please let me know. Alright, thanks.